Okay, I'm back, YouTube, on Champ Gaming Games. I'm here playing. Oh, we can run. I'm playing Plane Crazy. Wait, where's my plot at? Let me reset. Please tell me it's not like a lobby. Okay. Oh, build. Ooh. This is like a Build-A-Boat clone. Let me build the generic boat. There's a Build-A-Boat clone. It looks pretty good. Definitely a right. Oh my. White bricks. Okay. Okay, so is there like a set off button? Fly. A main pot. Oh, seat. I even had one on the top. Let me go find the seat. Oh, I need wings. Where's the seat at? Oh, here you go. The seats are in that. Okay. Now I need to have wings, don't I? I don't know if I have any bucks. My plane's gonna be weird. Okay. I'm done. Now let me just... Now let's fly. Oh no. No. I'm stuck. Yep, okay. Oh, do I need an engine? Oh. Dang, look at that. It's just plane. This plane looks sick. Whoa. Easy. Hey, just random camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this airplane video. At this awesome airplane. Peace, peace.